This is a time and distance problem, which means we're going to have to come up with the ground speed. So what they're asking for is they're asking for total time in flight for the blue route, but not only the time in flight, but asking what time do we arrive if we cross over a certain point at a certain time. So the first thing we're going to do is need to determine our ground speed based on the information that we have. So I'm going to zoom in a little bit, and what we can see is that we are given that we cross over CPN here at 850. And then we cross over DIVID at 854. And we can see right here, this distance is 9 miles. So if we have the time between 2 points and the distance, we can calculate the ground speed. So we've got 4 minutes and we've gone 9 nautical miles. So going over to the E6B, we're going into flight, or speed, then ground speed. Distance is 4 nautical miles in 4 minutes. Now to enter minutes, we have to enter the hours first. So 00 hours, colon, 04 minutes. Enter. That gives us a ground speed of 135 knots. So now we have to look at and determine the total distance for the entire flight. So we have two options at this point. We basically have two legs. We have one leg from here to here, the second leg from here to here. But what you'll notice is that the headings are very similar. So one heading, we have 154, the other heading 150. So there's not too much difference in heading, and we aren't even given wind information, so we would not be able to correct for wind anyway. So what we can go ahead and do is we can go ahead and use the total distance here, taking the total of the 48 nautical miles between these two VORs and the 71 nautical miles here. 48 plus 71 gives us 119 distance. Now that we have ground speed and distance, we can determine the leg time. So we're going to go into flight, down to leg time, distance 119, ground speed 135. That gives us a total time of total duration 52 minutes and 53 seconds. So what we have to do is we know that we crossed over the first VOR at 850. We have to add 52 minutes and 53 seconds to that. So just to show you what that looks like using the E6B, I'm going to go ahead and clear everything. And I'm going to say, okay, 08 hours, colon, 50 minutes, colon, plus 00 hours, colon, 52 minutes, colon, 53 seconds equals 9 hours, 42 minutes, and 53 seconds. So the total time en route is going to be 52 minutes, 53 seconds. If we start at 8:50, we will arrive at 9:42:53. And that will be the answer.